Welcome to our product selection videos, where we help you find the right tool for the job. This video covers our handle options. Vikan's handle selection spans different lengths, materials, and types. They can all be used with various threaded Vikan products like brooms, deck scrubs, and squeegees. We will start with the Vikan Ultra Hygienic handle line. First is the mini handle. This is ideal for use with any Vikan product that will likely be used on a table or conveyor belt, including pipe brushes, bench squeegees, and scrapers. In the same product line, we have longer handles in several other lengths. These are all lightweight, sturdy, ultra-hygienic handles that are free of crevices where bacteria can hide. They are designed with vertical ridges and a matte finish that provide an improved grip, even with greasy hands. The ultra-hygienic handles can be paired with any Vikan broom, scrub, squeegee, or other hygienic threaded Vikan product. Let's have a look at the Vikan aluminium handles. We have different types within this line in different diameters and lengths. They are all lightweight aluminium with ergonomic grips. Vikan also offers stainless steel handles. This tough and chemical-resistant stainless steel handle is ergonomically designed for greater comfort. All of these handles fit any threaded product in the Vikan range. They are ideal for use when cleaning tubes and drains with tube brushes or as a broom or scrub handle. Next, we have the Vikan aluminium telescopic handle. It can easily be adjusted to the required length, making it ideal for cleaning walls and canopies. Its ergonomic design and comfortable grip improve user comfort. Do not use this with acid or chlorine. Last but not least is the Vikan water-fed aluminium handle that has an insulated sleeve for a comfortable grip. These handles come in either fixed length or telescopic versions. Maximum water pressure is 6 bars. Thanks for watching our overview of Vikan handles. And as always, if you have additional product questions, please visit our website vikan.com or contact our customer service team.